iProfessor review for online teaching and course creation. Online learning has quietly shifted in recent years. People no longer want long static videos or complex platforms that feel difficult to navigate. They want clarity, warmth, and lessons that feel personal even when delivered digitally. That is where tools like iProfessor enter the conversation. In this iProfessor review, we explore how this platform fits into modern online teaching and whether it truly supports creators, educators, and everyday users who want to share knowledge without pressure. iProfessor teaching tool explained in simple terms. At its core, iProfessor is designed to help people teach topics online using artificial intelligence. Instead of recording yourself or preparing lengthy lessons, you type a topic and the system creates a teacher who explains it on video. This approach feels especially helpful for those who enjoy the idea of teaching but prefer to stay behind the scenes. The platform focuses on simplicity and clarity, which makes it accessible even for people who are new to online education tools. From a practical standpoint, this iProfessor review shows that the tool is less about technical control and more about ease of use. The interface feels calm and uncluttered, allowing users to focus on ideas rather than settings. That balance makes it suitable for casual creators and professionals alike. iProfessor teachers and how they feel on screen. The teachers created inside the platform are designed to look and sound human. Their expressions are gentle and their voices are paced in a way that feels natural rather than rushed. This helps lessons feel more like a conversation than a presentation. Many users appreciate that the teachers do not feel stiff or overly animated. In this iProfessor review, it becomes clear that these teachers are meant to support understanding rather than impress visually. They work well for topics that benefit from calm explanations such as basic education, business concepts, or lifestyle learning. The overall effect is subtle and comfortable, which suits long viewing sessions. iProfessor online teaching platform for everyday creators. Online teaching platforms often feel overwhelming with dashboards filled with tools that require time to learn. iProfessor takes a different route by focusing on one clear goal: helping users teach through video explanations. Everything happens in the browser, which removes the need for downloads or complex setup. This iProfessor review highlights how the platform feels welcoming to everyday creators. Whether someone is exploring online teaching for the first time or adding another tool to their workflow, the experience remains straightforward. That ease encourages consistency, which is often the missing piece in online education projects. iProfessor course creator and lesson flow. Creating a course usually involves planning, structure, recording content, and updating lessons over time. iProfessor simplifies this process by allowing lessons to be created topic by topic. Each lesson feels like a standalone explanation, which can later be grouped into a course-style experience. From the perspective of this iProfessor review, the course creation process feels flexible rather than rigid. Users can experiment with topics, adjust pacing, and refine explanations without starting over. This supports a more relaxed creative process, which many lifestyle-focused creators appreciate. iProfessor software review. From a usability angle, when reviewing software, it is important to look beyond features and consider daily usability. iProfessor performs well in this area by keeping interactions minimal and predictable. Buttons are clearly labeled and the workflow remains consistent across different projects. In this iProfessor review, the software feels designed for regular use rather than one-time experiments. That makes it suitable for people who want to build a library of educational content slowly over time. The experience aligns well with a calm, productive routine rather than a rushed, output-driven mindset. Create teachers without being on camera. One of the most appealing aspects of iProfessor is the ability to create teaching content without appearing on camera. This removes a major barrier for many people who feel uncomfortable recording themselves. The iTeachers become a gentle stand-in, allowing ideas to take center stage. This iProfessor review shows how this feature opens doors for introverts, writers, and educators who prefer quiet, creative spaces. It also allows teaching content to remain visually consistent, which can help build a recognizable learning environment over time. Get an iProfessor instant $3 discount. Use coupon code Professor ViPi teaching software for multiple learning styles. Different learners absorb information in different ways. Some prefer slower explanations while others enjoy concise summaries. iProfessor allows adjustments to tone and style which helps match lessons to different audiences. This flexibility makes it easier to reuse content across platforms. In this iProfessor review, the adaptability of the teaching software stands out. It supports a range of topics and presentation styles without forcing creators into one format. This makes it suitable for educational lifestyle blogs, training projects, and informational channels. Human-like iTeacher videos and viewer comfort. Video learning works best when viewers feel relaxed and focused. iProfessor creates videos that maintain a steady pace and clear structure. The visuals remain simple, which helps reduce distraction during longer explanations. From this iProfessor review, it is evident that viewer comfort has been considered carefully. The teachers do not rush through material or overload the screen with information. This makes the platform especially suitable for topics that benefit from thoughtful reflection. AI-powered online education for modern routines. Online education today fits into busy routines rather than fixed schedules. iProfessor supports this shift by allowing lessons to be created and consumed on demand. Students can revisit explanations and ask questions without waiting for live sessions. This iProfessor review reflects how the platform aligns with modern digital habits. It supports learning in small moments, whether during a quiet morning or an evening break. That flexibility helps education feel like a natural part of daily life. Faceless teaching videos and creative freedom. Faceless teaching videos have become popular among creators who value privacy and consistency. iProfessor fits well into this trend by offering a way to produce professional-looking lessons without personal exposure. In this iProfessor review, faceless content creation feels less like a compromise and more like a creative choice. It allows ideas to remain central while visuals stay clean and focused. This approach works well for educational blogs, digital courses, and informational platforms. Get an iProfessor instant $3 discount. Use coupon code Professor ViPi. Course creation tool and long-term use. A good tool should support growth over time rather than feel limiting. iProfessor allows users to expand their content library, gradually exploring new topics and refining teaching styles as they go. This final section of the iProfessor review emphasizes sustainability. The platform feels suited for long-term projects rather than short campaigns. For creators who enjoy building calm and formative spaces online, iProfessor offers a steady, supportive environment. Final thoughts. iProfessor fits into a growing space where technology quietly supports creativity rather than overpowering it. It offers a gentle way to teach, explain, and share ideas without pressure or complexity. For those interested in online education, faceless content, or digital learning projects, this platform provides a thoughtful starting point that feels comfortable and adaptable. Get an iProfessor instant $3 discount. Use coupon code Professor VIP. Thank you.